Namaste, I Xavier Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. So, friends, we have earlier studied about cyber security. Let us continue the topic of cyber security. Okay, so uh, we will understand what is a cyber attack. So, a cyber attack is a malicious attempt using digital technologies to cause personal or property loss or damage, and or steal or alter confidential personal or organizational data. That is called cyber attack. Okay. So, what is the major security problems? Virus, hacker, malware, Trojan horses, and password cracking. These are your major security problems. So let us understand one by one what is the meaning of a virus and worms and Trojan horse, password cracking. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss about viruses. You all know about viruses, I hope. So, virus is a malware attached to a courier, such as an email message or a word processing document. A virus is a program that is loaded onto your computer without your knowledge and runs against your wishes. It's a kind of program which is sent through the email, and then after clicking that email, viruses enter in your computer and run without your knowledge, and it's hamper your data. Okay. Worm is also kind of malware, can autonomously spread itself without a carrier using information about connected computers. Worm's malware can autonomously spread itself without a carrier using information about connected computers. But here is some solution to prevent these type of problems. Install a security suite that protects the computer against threats such as viruses and worms. Hackers in common, a hacker is a person who breaks into computers usually by gaining access to administrative controls. Administrative control means they behave like they are the admin and they want to use your computer without your knowledge, and they can change whatever they want to change and they can use however they want to use. Okay, so here is a category of hackers. Okay, so white hacker, gray hat hacker, and black hat hacker. White hat hackers. The term white hat in internet slang refers to an ethical computer hackers or a computer security expert who specializes in penetration testing and in other testing methodologies to ensure the security of an organization's information system. That means white hat hackers is prevent your computer security. Okay, but gray hat hackers or gray hat refers to a computer hacker or computer security expert who may sometimes violate laws or typical ethical standard but does not have the malicious intent typical of a black hat hackers. It's Gray hat hackers is similar to the black hat hackers, but not that kind of a hackers. With they can a black hat hacker is a different kind of hacker, but in gray hat hackers has both functionality of your white hat hacker and black hat hacker. Okay. Black hat hackers or black hat hackers is a hacker who violates computer security for little reason beyond maliciousness or for personal gain. So, how to prevent this hacking? It may be impossible to prevent computer hacking. However, effective security controls, including a strong password and the use of firewall, can help. So, friends, um, we all use password to protect our computer to access unauthorized person. But how can you prevent um, when you are using some websites which has not legal website, and attacker can enter in your personal computer? That means they can steal your information. So here we have a firewall protection by which we can protect unauthorized accessibility of websites or link, we can say that. Okay, so we have firewall has different types of firewall. They have already installed in our computer. They can prevent um our computer through unauthorized access of websites and links. Okay. Malware. The word malware comes from the term malicious software that has some malicious intent and which is installed on a user's computer without that user's consent. Keylogger software installed on a computer that computer's keystroke and sends this to a remote system used to try and get personal information to gain access to site such as bank. Okay, so ransomware software that runs on a user's computer and demand that the users pays some other organization. If they don't, the information on their computers will be destroyed. So you can say that the malware is a kind of a hacking, and you can say that malware is a kind of robbery of your property. Your personal information can be your personal information had been stolen by some attacker, and then they started blackmailing you to pay some amount for other organization, and then can release your data and information. Okay, so you can say that it's a kind of robbery in a technical world. How to stop the malware? To download an anti-malware program that also helps prevent infections, and do not download from unknown sources, and it it and then activate network threat protection. Okay, so it is Trojan horses. Trojan horses are email viruses that can duplicate themselves, steal information, or harm the computer system. So it's a kind of virus which can replicate themselves. That means they can produce program as similar they are, and increased in your increase in increase rapidly and spread all over your computer. Okay, so these viruses are the most serious threats to computers. So how to avoid the Trojan? Security suits such as Avast Internet Security will prevent you from the downloading Trojan horses. Do not click on lone links. So you have to take care you do not click unknown links and ads. They are also kind of viruses which can enter your computer, and then you have to face many problems. Okay, so this kind of viruses is producing by by writing a program. How to crack the password? Password attacks are attacked by hackers that are able to determine passwords or find passwords to different protected electronic areas and social network sites. How to securing password? Use always a strong password. Never use same password or two different sites. Okay, so here where is here is only one thing in your hand. You should never use a similar password in two sites, and you can say uh, two places where, and always try to use a strong password. A strong password means you have to use capital letter, small letter, and some symbolic symbol, and also you can use the digit in your password. Okay, and it always try to give the length of password is more than 8 character, and you can say the letter, because you always these are called some strongest password. Okay, so insider, what is insider attack? Attacks to an organization carried out by someone who is inside that organization, either by himself or with the convenience of outsider, and difficult to counter using technical methods, as the insider may have valid credential to access the system. What is the external attackers? External attackers attack to an organization carried out by an external agent, requires either valid credential or the exploitation of some vulnerability to gain access to the system. Okay, so here is malicious and accidental damage. Cybersecurity is most concerned with the cyber attacks. Cyber accident means accidental events that can cause loss or damage to an individual, business, or public body. Many of the same technologies used to protect against external attack also protect against cyber accidents. However, sometimes protecting against cyber attacks increases the probability of cyber accidents. Analysis of information security threats. So, in 98% from external agents, 4% from implicated internal employees, less than 1% by business partners, and at 58% all the data theft linked to activists group. Okay, so these are some analysis of information security threats. Okay, in next session we will cover this topic. I hope you enjoyed my session. Thank you, class.